Adventures await! Help me! Whoa, yeah! Please! Ow! 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 No. Thanks, sunshine. Thank you, darling. Yeah. Oh, got him. Put that back. Yeah, just put it back. Choose something else. Boring. Oh! You might want to put that back. Ow! I might vomit. Oh, the pain! The pain! Yeah, that'll work. I'll never sleep again. Yum yum! No! Ooh, I almost like that. Is that for me? I'm out! Oi! I'm getting post-traumatic stress disorder. What do you think? I'm silly putty? I'm a pacifist. No, not that. Oh, the earth moved for me. The end is here. Mayday! Don't! No, not that. Apocalypse! Well, looks like Tuesday. That's not good. Excuse me. Stop, drop, and roll. I'm burning! Oh! Mama! Ow! Ah! I'm dying! Feed him up! What's wrong with you? Oh, my biscuits are burning. No. Hey, it's lonely in here. Whoa! Stand down!
Life is over.
Put it back. Yeah, just put it back. Oh, excuse me. Hey, call the ambulance. You might want to put that back. Can you hold the phone steady? I'm gonna snooze for a while. No, not that. Can you turn me toward the TV? I want to see the basement of the Alamo. I'm a little teapot short and stout eating. Can I go watch the X-Files for a while? Mind if I catch a nap here? La 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 la. Oh, pardon me. Do I look tasty? I gotta pull myself together. Nothing happens, and I actually like it. I wish it would last forever. Oh! Fetch me some coffee, please. Babushka! The pain! Do you like playing games? Have you been to the moon? Pay attention to me. I want a cracker. Hey, it's time to hurt somebody. Ooh, nice fingers you got there.
This is rather peaceful.
No, not that. Oh, that's better. Ooh, that's better. My bones! Hey, you'll be all broken. Hey, take your time. You got anything I could read for a few minutes? Steamboat Willie. Are we going to play? Truce! I'm a pirate. Arr! Just kidding.